Every 39 seconds, someone gets hacked. Right now, as you watch this video, attackers are scanning networks, stealing passwords, encrypting files, demanding ransoms. Last year alone, 3.2 billion passwords were stolen. The average hacker stays inside a company network for 200 days before anyone notices. And right now, there are 3 million security jobs with no one to fill them. The world needs defenders. Until now, nobody was teaching this the right way. This is Arjun, a software developer from Hyderabad, 28-year-old. Every morning, chai, laptop, office. Every evening, home, dinner, sleep. His system was everything to him. His work, his memories, his world. He trusted it completely. It was 11:47 p.m. One last check of his email. Your salary slip is ready. Click here. It looked real. It looked safe. It looked exactly like what the attacker wanted it to look. He clicked. In that single second, a remote access Trojan silently installed itself. Invisible, undetected. His keystrokes recorded. Every password he typed captured. His banking credentials stolen. His company files copied. 40 minutes later, this message appeared on his screen. Your files have been encrypted. Pay now or lose everything. Arjun stared at the screen, hand shaking, heart pounding. He had been hacked. And he had no idea how it happened. No idea who did it. No idea what to do next. This is called a phishing attack. And it happens to someone every single 39 seconds. But in the digital shadows, there is always someone watching. Someone the attacker never sees. Someone trying to find what others miss. I see threats before they strike. My name is Agent Netra. In the digital world, Trinetra means the third eye. The eye that sees what others cannot. Every single alert, every single log, every trace the attacker leaves behind. I see them all. And now, I am going to teach you to see them too. Welcome to TrinetraSoc, Third Eye Next Gen Security. This channel exists for one purpose only, to build the defenders that digital world desperately needs. Here is exactly what we are going to cover. First, the complete SOC Analyst Roadmap. Every step, every certification, every tool in exact order from zero to job ready. And then we'll go hands-on, Splunk, Microsoft Sentinel, Wireshark, Wazoo, Let's Defend and Try Hack Me, where you will practice real SOC scenarios. More scenarios, more concepts is equal to more knowledge. No courses to buy, no expensive tools required. Just your laptop and the willingness to learn. New videos on this channel every Monday and Wednesday. If you are a beginner who has never touched a security tool, or if you are already in IT and want to move into cybersecurity, this channel is for you. Subscribe to TrinetraSoc right now. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a single video. The digital world needs defenders. I am Agent Netra and I will see you in the next video.